Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this Delco T400 is a return. The customer thought it was a warranty issue because he would insert a tape. Radio would switch over but would not reproduce the tape audio. So whenever this happens, I usually ask the customer to include a few tapes that they were having trouble with. So they did send me those tapes. Let's see, we've got a Boston tape here that's got a completely worn out pressure pad, but it may still play. It should still play. We've got a Led Zeppelin tape here that's got the felt type pad, so we know that's a good tape. We got another one that's got a good foam pad. So we got Santana, Boston, and Led Zeppelin, and then we've got my test tape that I've been using, Neil Sedaka, and then we're also going to check the speed while we do it. So at any rate, the unit's working fine. There was nothing wrong with it. I did go ahead and turn up the output level a little bit just in case the radio was not able to pick up on the music level, but that shouldn't be a problem. It's possible now that when the tape does play through the radio, it may be really, really loud because I had to boost that output level quite a bit. So anyway, let's go ahead and pop in some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, blank spot there. Okay, so let's try one of their tapes. Okay, let's go ahead and pop the Led Zeppelin in. Okay, so now that tape played. Let's try our Santana tape. Or their Santana tape. Alrighty, let's try their Boston tape. Now this is the one that had basically no pressure pad at all. But it still plays. Okay, let's go ahead and pop our speed tape in there. Make sure we're running at the right speed. Okay, this is a 400 cycle test tape, so any number between 395 and 405 is going to be in spec. We're at 402, so we're definitely in spec on the speed. So there you have it. There's nothing wrong with the unit. As I mentioned, I went ahead and turned up the output level a little bit. Maybe help the radio's triggering, but if it didn't trigger before, it probably means there's something wrong with the radio. They say it's a brand new radio, and I believe it, but brand new stuff can be bad too. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, I'm not mentioning the name of the customer or the shop on this unit. I don't want to make anyone look bad because it's quite often that a unit comes back and they think there's something wrong with it when they possibly may have overlooked something. Who knows? But at any rate, we know that the unit that I worked on is in great shape. So my number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.